Hey guys, today I have the Glossy Box Summer Essentials box for you guys. They do send me this for PR reasons, so I just want to put that out there. I do have a coupon code with them down below. I don't get any compensation for it, but it is for your benefit if you want to get some money off of these products. So they do from time to time like a limited edition box and things like that, and this is going to be their summer essentials box. So here is the little pamphlet, and as you can see there, it comes with a little bag, and we're gonna go ahead and go through all of these. Oh my god, my lip gloss is sticking together. We're gonna go ahead and go through all of these products together. So here is the cute little bag right here. Is that not adorable? This is going to be perfect for traveling, and then we're just going to open this together. So first thing I see in here is the Becca Liquid Crystal Lip Topper in Glow Gloss. This is citrine and apricot. So let's see what this baby looks like. Oh, that's pretty. I have to see if I already have this shade because I own a few of these lip glosses. They're really, really nice, comfortable on the lips, give a lot of glow to the lips. So if I already own this one, then I will definitely might do a giveaway. And if you're not following me on Instagram, definitely follow below. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. And that gloss is worth $22. Next thing in here that I see is Arizona. It's a little perfume, and this is worth, how much is this? Where are you? This is worth $15. It's a little mini perfume. And Glossy Box, some of the products are full size and some of them are mini, but they do put the price point on there. And sometimes a lot of these minis are pretty pricey. Okay, this is the bad thing about having nails, is that you can't freaking get stuff out or open it. I started doing my nails myself, and it's just been you know, a learning process. So okay, so here it is. Oh, I love that. That's such a cute little bottle. Let's see what it smells like. It has a very strong smell, and I can't pinpoint like any notes, like as far as like floral or anything like that. It smells like clean with a little bit of wood in it. Let me see if they say anything on here. It says that it has white cactus flower. So I don't know what that's supposed to smell like, but it smells really nice and clean. So I do like that smell. And then the next thing in here are some sunglasses. Ooh, those are so cute. So this is by the brand Velvet, and it says that these are worth $55. And they come with their own little pouch, which is cute to travel in. Let's go ahead and try these on. Oh, they feel like super sturdy and nice. These are super cute, a little cat eye. I will definitely be wearing these. I don't spend that much on sunglasses. Like usually I only spend like around $5 or so. The most expensive sunglasses that I buy nowadays is usually around that price point, around like 50, like stuff like that. But for the most part, I buy super cheap sunglasses because, you know, I just feel like they just get ruined so fast. And like, you know, if you have a child, you know what I mean. Like your sunglasses will get lost. You don't know where they are. Your son will sit on them. It's just a hot mess. So I definitely will try to take care of these because these are so cute. Next thing in here is this Tangle teaser. So that's what it looks like. It's a detangling spray. It says wash, brush, hair fabulous. Absolutely love these types of brushes for detangling hair. If you ever have never tried one, definitely try one. Either the Tangle teaser, the wet brush. There's another one that I really, really like. But these are really, really good for detangling hair. And that is worth $12. Then the next thing in here is these you can tell the Hispanic in me comes out every now and then. The Orbi Abrase Beach Wave and Shine Spray. So I've never tried Orbi. Is it Orbi? Orbe? Hopefully I'm not butchering this. This is worth $10, the little mini. It's supposed to be a shine spray to help your hair like just have shine, but then not have any like stiffness to it. So Definitely will try this out. I love a good shine spray that's really like fine and mist because I have such thin hair, so we'll see if I like that. And then next thing in here is the Skin Glow mask. These are little eye masks. I love these little eye masks for underneath the eyes. I absolutely love the Good Molecules one if you haven't tried those. So these are $10, so that's a little pricey, because I think you can buy like a whole bucket of them for cheaper, but we shall see if they're any good. So this just comes with one little pair to wear around the house. Usually it has like more, like I see there, it has vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, so it seems like it's infused with more products. And next thing in here, ooh, I'm excited for this. I have heard so many people talk about this Egyptian magic. It's supposed to do wonders for your skin. It's pretty pricey, like the full tub. So I've never tried it because I don't know, it just kind of seemed iffy to me, but I've heard a lot of people talking about it. So now I shall see if it's really worth the hype. So this little travel one is $5.99. What? Wait a minute, the full size isn't that bad. It's $26. Why did I think it was more expensive? So it's supposed to be a legendary moisturizing balm. It has 100% ingredients, olive oil, honey. You can use it on your body, your lips, your cuticles, your hair. Like, you can use it on anything. So if I like this, I will definitely try to get the full size once I run out of some of my skincare because I have way too much. And then the last thing in here is this little duo. It's like a little travel duo by what is this, Super Smile Extra White. So it comes with a toothpaste and an accelerator, so I guess you put a little bit of both on your toothbrush, and it's supposed to give you instant results, no sensitivity. It fights cavities, it has fluoride, it has whitening, it promotes gum health, it's supposed to help against plaque, it's supposed to help with like it works on any kind of dental restorations, and it freshens breath. So I will definitely try this because I've never tried Super Smile, and I absolutely love the Colgate. Oh, I can't think of it. If I can find the name, I'll put it around here. It's like something white. That is like my go-to toothpaste. A lot of people on Instagram are always asking me like if I use anything for like whitening my teeth. I haven't whitened my teeth in like years. So I used to use like the little tray thing with the little light, and I never bought it again, and then started using this toothpaste, which hopefully I'll put around here, and I love that toothpaste. Since then I haven't had to use like any kind of whitening product. I just feel like the toothpaste is amazing. So we shall see if this is good. And that is it for their summer essentials box. Let me know what you guys thought. I keep forgetting, I think Glossy box is $21 a month, so I will put the total value around here. Like I said, this was sent for review purpose, but you could definitely subscribe, check it out. You always get way more than what you pay for as far as like the value. And I love the fact that this month it came with this little bag. This is so cute. And I know I'm always complaining about the Ipsy bags, but I feel like this is something that I would actually use. Like you can see the size of this, like everything that I pulled out was in here. So a lot of things fit in here. I just don't like these small little tiny bags that Ipsy does, because it only fits like one or two things, and then like, you know what I mean? Like, what am I really gonna use it for? Like to carry a lipstick? Anyways, I definitely have to go to work now. Thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If I talked a little bit lower in this video, it's because my son is sleeping next door. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on my social media down below if you want to, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.